A heartbreaking scene, on a small alley with few people passing by. The tearful, pitiful eyes of a kitten. His mother cats abandoned him on this deserted street. I wondered why his mother had abandoned him here. I stopped to take a closer look. Surely the mother cat is no longer able to care for her babies. The mother cat probably hoped that her baby would have a better new life under the care of someone else. I went home, got some food, and went back to the alley. The kitten hovered around my feet, not leaving. I bent down, gently picked it up, and held it in my arms. It trembled, gradually feeling safe in my arms. Looking into the little scared eyes, I decided to take the kitten home. I told myself that I would give it a better new life. I will take care of it, love it like a family member. And so, from a small alley with few people passing by, the kitten found its new home, where it will be loved and protected. A new and better life has begun here.
Hello everyone. Today I decided to set out to find a lovely dog that had been lost for many days. After traveling nearly 10 kilometers, with hope and anxiety, he finally arrived at the place where someone saw the dog. Hey, is that the dog we're looking for? Yes, in there. It's amazing how he got this far. It seems like something scared him. I gently walked over and comforted the dog with kindness and warmth. After days of separation, the two were finally reunited. Joy filled their hearts. I brought some water and food to take care of my little friend. Now our friend can return home, filled with happiness at seeing his lovely friend again. When he got home, he was happy and cheerful. Let's take a bath, my friend. I have prepared some food and drinks for you, my friend. I told him not to run around next time. It's dangerous outside.
Under the gloomy sky of a summer evening, it was pouring rain outside. Outside, a group of kittens were meowing. The sound of rain pattering on the ground, mixed with the faint meowing. Every step he takes shows his concern and boundless love for them. As he walked towards the mother cat and her babies taking shelter from the rain, it seemed the mother cat understood and ran into the house first. He bent down, gently picked up each cat, and carried them to the safety of the house. Look, guys, they're safe. The stormy night outside doesn't seem so scary anymore. A long night can become memorable when we know how to give love to the little creatures around us.